Iqembu elibusayo likuvumile ukuthi sukela lathatha izintambo zombuso ngo-1994 alinawo umgomo ocacile olawula ukungena nokuphuma kuleli. Leliqembu liphakamise ukuthi kube khona iBhodi elizosebenzisana neminyango eyi-11 kahulumeni ehlanganisa izinhlangano zezisebenzi nezomphakathi.
It becomes a board that takes decision on matters of immigration, everyday matters of immigration. When they meet, they take a decision, for instance, whether this particular person or this group of people will be allowed in the country, or whether certain reasons of coming into the country are acceptable.
Umtholedi uthi uqaphelile ukuthi izingqinamba ezithinta ukungena kuleli zijwayele ukugcina sesidonsa isikhathi eside ezinkantolo zomthetho. Ngakho-ke yingakho bephakamisa ukuthi kube khona izinkantolo ezizobhekana ngqo nokusheshisa amacala athinta ukungena ngokwemthetho kuleli.
The current legislative arrangement is untenable. It leads to a lot of long delays in finalizing immigration matters. That's why Home Affairs is always being attacked.
Uthi manje sekuyisikhathi sokuqasha izisebenzi ezinamava emngceleni yakuleli.
We are making a recommendation that the inspectorate, the people who must serve in the inspectorate, must have legal qualifications and they must have experience in policing.
Kusenjalo inhlangano yezizwe iUN inikele ngamakhulu ezigidi ukulekelela ukubambezeleka kwezicelo zabafuduki abavela kwamanye amazwe.